In today's video, I'm going to tell you guys about 3 methods that you can use to boost your Snapchat score fast in 2023. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. The first and most easiest method to increase your Snapchat score is that on your screens right now, you will be seeing my Snapchat username. So all you have to do is to add me on your Snapchat. Once you have added me on Snapchat, in the comment section below, mention your username so that I can add you guys back. And once we have added each other, we'll start a Snapchat streak, and in this way our Snapchat score will start to increase. Now let's talk about the second method. So for the second method, you need to open Snapchat, click on the search icon. Now type a random name, add some random users, and once you have done that, all you have to do is to click a snap and send that snap to the new users, and your Snapchat score will increase. Now let's talk about the third and final method. So for that, you need to open your internet browser, and in the search bar you need to type Snapchat users for streaks. So there are a lot of users on the internet that have provided their usernames, and all you have to do is to add these users and you can start a Snapchat streak with them. Once the streak is started, your Snapchat score will automatically start to increase. So these were the 3 methods that you can use to increase your Snapchat score fast. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.